Anyways, getting to the top of the mountain was incredible. The views are beautiful. Of course, the visibility is limited. I think there's around 20 days a year that Mt Fuji actually has visibility. From the base of the mountain, if you can see the mountain, then that means you have visibility at the top, and you can only see the mountain about 20 days out of the year. You can see the base of the mountain a lot, but you can only see the summit about 20 days a year. Fuji usually has a cloud around it, as it did this day when we were hiking, which means you can't see out from the top and means you can't see the top from the bottom.